Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, rear window defroster, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.